So in this video, we're gonna be talking about the best training split from someone getting back into the gym, all right? So a split is just a schedule or the routine that you stick to. So number one, you gotta think about how much time you can realistically commit to during your week. Is it 3 days, is it 4 days? And think how much time you have. So let's go simple, every other day. You got 4 days. If you're just getting into the gym, I would suggest an upper body day, and that could be push-pull, all of it together, and a lower body day. And then take a day off, let your body heal up, and repeat the cycle. So then you're just committing to 4 days a week. It's easy, it's simple, it's upper, it's lower. Once you start getting acclimated to that, you feel like you need more days in the gym, you wanna spend more days in the gym, you're getting results, so you wanna do more, then you're gonna wanna break it out more body part specific if you're really interested in like toning and sculpting your appearance. So, typical split for some of the girls, or a lot of the girls that I know, is gonna be legs and glutes on a Monday, shoulders and arms on a Tuesday, back and abs on a Wednesday, legs and glutes again on Thursday, all upper body Friday, and conditioning on Saturday. And that's a good way to work on, burning body fat, not spending too much time on upper body, and really building your glutes and legs. So if you're more interested on training splits, putting a program together, just reach out to us at 5 Star, and we'll see you at the gym soon.